Dr. Doyin Okupe had committed himself to funding the mobilization of Ogun State for the Ibadan rally, we want to know where the 20 million naira approved for Ogun State is, in whose hand it is. Number 5, Article 9, Section 3, Subsection 3 of our party's constitution states as follows: only members who pay their monthly membership dues at rates prescribed shall be deemed to be bona fide members of the party. Arrears of dues of up to 6 months shall lead to forfeiture of membership. 6. Despite repeated demand from various meetings I had with Dr. Doyin Okupe in respect of his mandatory constitutional requirements to fulfill membership status, he has failed woefully in this regard, with some others to flagrantly disobey the constitution of Labour Party. He has polarized the party in Ogun State with his crops of PDP dissidents, political liabilities, who are only using Labour Party to revive their not only irredeemable dead political and financial lives, but have successfully stole all that is available in Labour Party. Therefore, in line with Article 9, Section 3 and Subsection 3 of the Labour Party constitutional provision earlier stated above, we declare that Dr. Doyin Okupe, having failed in the payment of his membership dues for the last 6 months of joining the party, has forfeited his membership of the party and no longer fit and competent to continue to act as the DG of the Presidential Campaign Council. We hereby notify our national chairman, Barrister Julius Abure, and Labour Party presidential candidate, Mr. Peter Obi, that it is expedient to obey the constitution of Labour Party by immediately appointing another DG for the PCC, and that should come from the north to reflect federal character and political balance.
Thinking this is just a shy play. It is not a shy play. Dr. Doyin Okupe, I want to make it categorically clear to you that you are still to be a member of this party, and every available means, every lawful available means we will use against you with your cohort. You can never come back to this party. We will not sit down with you because you have disobeyed our constitution.